Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there were two people who were about to fall in love. Their names were Jack and Lily, and they couldn't have been more different. Jack was a carefree, easygoing guy who loved nothing more than playing basketball with his buddies and hanging out at the local diner. Lily, on the other hand, was a studious, introverted girl who spent most of her time buried in textbooks and dreaming of a future as a doctor. Despite their differences, there was something about these two that drew them together. It started with a chance encounter at the library, where Lily had accidentally spilled her coffee all over her textbook. Jack, who was studying for an exam nearby, offered to help her clean it up. From that moment on, Jack and Lily found themselves running into each other more and more frequently. They'd bump into each other at the grocery store or see each other at the park. Each time, they'd exchange a shy smile or a quick hello. One day, Jack decided to take things to the next level. He asked Lily if she'd like to go out for coffee with him. Lily was hesitant at first. She wasn't used to being asked out by boys, but something about Jack made her say yes. Their first date was a disaster. Lily spilled her latte all over her shirt, and Jack accidentally ordered 2 pumpkin spice lattes instead of 1. But despite the mishaps, they both laughed it off and had a great time getting to know each other better. As they continued to date, Jack and Lily learned more and more about each other's quirks and interests. Jack discovered that Lily loved hiking in the nearby mountains, while Lily learned that Jack had a secret talent for singing, which he only revealed after a few too many beers at the local pub. Their relationship wasn't always smooth sailing, though. There were times when they argued over trivial things, like whether or not it was okay to eat the last slice of pizza, but they always managed to make up in the end. One night, after months of dating, Jack took Lily on a surprise date to the top of the town's highest hill. As they watched the sun set over the horizon, Jack got down on one knee and asked Lily to be his girlfriend forever. Lily said yes without hesitation, and they shared a kiss as the sky turned pink and orange around them. From that day on, Jack and Lily were inseparable. They explored every inch of their town together, from the hidden waterfalls in the woods to the quirky local diners, and fell more deeply in love with each passing day. They knew that their differences would always be there, but as long as they had each other by their side, they didn't care about anything else.